Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. See, children, day before yesterday, we have discussed about a story, My Family. What we have discussed, children? My Family. And regarding the Mohan's family, we have learned about the members of the Mohan's family as well as about the Mohan's house. And one more thing we have discussed, children, in our poem, where a mouse lives, where a sparrow lives, where a ginger kitten means a small kitten lives, and where these all are, were they happy with their homes or not, we have discussed. Let us have a look of this poem, children. The best house means the house where we are living is the best house for us. మనం ఎక్కడ ఉంటాము ఆ హౌస్ మనకి బెస్ట్, ద బెస్ట్ హౌస్. Okay, this is the poem which we have learned the day before yesterday, children. And hard words related to this: MOUSE mouse, SMALL small, LIVED live, WALL wall, HOUSE house, SPARROW sparrow, NEST nest, BEST best, WORD word, BIRD bird, LITTLE little, GINGER ginger, KITTEN kitten, HOLE hole, MEW mew, squash, SQUASH squash, basket, BASKET basket, BIG big. See, children, these are the few words which are related to the poem. See, LITTLE little, GINGER ginger, KITTEN kitten, HOLE hole, MEW mew, MOUSE mouse, SMALL small, LIVED live, WALL wall, HOUSE house, SPARROW sparrow, NEST nest, BEST best, WORD word, BIRD bird, SQUASH squash, BASKET basket, BIG big. See, children, these are the few words which are related to the poem. Let us see. Let us read the poem once again, children. A mouse, so very small, lived in a hole in the wall. I like my cozy house means comfortable. Cozy means comfortable, said the tiny little mouse. See, the mouse was very much comfortable in his small hole. Even though it is very small, the mouse was very happy in its, very comfortable in its hole. A sparrow in her nest said, my home is the best. It's super, that's the word, said the funny little bird. See, what the sparrow is explaining. Even the sparrow was living in a small nest on a tree, but the house was very, very big. It was super in the world. It was the best home for the sparrow in the world. Now see, children, a little ginger kitten, small kitten, had a little basket she could sit in, and she asked with a mew, what would you like to live here too? Now see, when we asked a little kitten, why you are living in a small basket. The kitten also gave reply that he was very comfortable in the basket. I am too big for a mouse hole. I can't live in a tree. I would squash a kitten's basket. My home is just right for me. Now see, the kitten is explaining, I can't live in the hole, I can't live on a tree. But the basket was little bit comfortable and it will be squashed by me. Squash means some break, it will break if I'll grow big. So the kittens, for the kitten, the basket is comfortable now. Let us revise. I'll read once. You just have a look if you are having the textbook. A mouse is very small, lived in a hole in the wall. I like my cozy house, said the tiny little mouse. A sparrow in her nest said my home is the best. It's super, that's the word, said the funny little bird. A little ginger kitten had a basket she could sit in, and she asked with a mew, would you like to live here too? I am too big for a mouse hole and I can't live in a tree. I would squash a kitten's basket. My home is just right for me. నా ఇల్లు నాకే సొంతం, నాకే కంఫర్టబుల్. I can't live in a hole, I can't live on a tree. Now see children, let us discuss few of the rhyming words given in your poem. Few of the rhyming words in your poem. Before to that, see children, given here. Owl, here it is an owl. It is a story of a owl. I am the best bird, look at me. I can fly, but I can dive. I can hoot, but I can talk. Now here they explained, I can see a long way, but I can run fast. I can hide among leaves, but I can slide on ice. Now here in the next poem, they both are comparing each other. Who are both? The penguin and the owl. But here what we have learned the poem children about the mouse house, about the sparrow's house, about the kitten's house. These three members are very comfortable in their houses. They don't want to change their houses. If you see the hard words once again, then we will discuss about the rhyming words. Rhyming words means the words which gives us the same sound. See children, little, ginger, kitten, hole, mew, mouse, small, lived, wall, house, sparrow, nest, best, word, bird, squash, basket, big. Okay, now today children, let us discuss about the few words which are having same sound, which have same sound in the poem. See children, small, wall, rhyming words. These are known as rhyming words. Small, wall, house, mouse, house, mouse, nest, best. Children, nest, best, word, bird, word, bird. So these are the rhyming words of the poem. See once, have a look. Small, wall, house, mouse, nest, best, word, bird. Now if you are having the textbook children, read your poem once in the textbook and have a look on the rhyming words as well as on the new words. Okay children, bye.